super simple. We're handcuffed.
They got handcuffed,
Yes,
and they can't literally get out.
So,
It's usually boys versus girls.
To play like this,
Throwing hat to your partner, and
you need to get it in.
if your partner gets the hat and their head, you got a point, and the one with the most point
In 1
wins.
minute.
And I
The
will
clock starts
now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21,
Where's
22,
zero?
23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28,
Boys to win.
29, 30,
Yeah,
32, 33, 34, 35,
Get up.
36, 37, 38, 39, 40,
Yay,
41,
2
42, 43, 44, 45, 46,
3
47, 48, 49,
Ah.
50, 51, 52, 53, 54,
55,
56, 57, 58, 59, 60.
4.44.
We got to
4 points for the boys.
Okay, guys, usually if the one who wins pretend
Take
they
that.
just got begging, right? No, they can.
They got a punishment. 5-time push-ups.
No.
Yeah, the loser.
The winner and the loser have to say yes to the winner.
Yes. What? Boys say yes to girls? No, that doesn't.
No!
Wait. The clock starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4,
This is
5, 6, 1 point.
8, 9,
2.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18,
No, that doesn't count.
19,
Because it's in the air.
20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 20,
The head is not in the face.
30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 30.
Why is it so fast? No. 35, 36, 37, 38, 39,
Go on.
40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. No, that doesn't count. 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57. No! 58, 59, 60. It needs to get on the head, not just like and then fall.
Find out. So we have to say yes to the boys with the hand.
See you guys in our next video that the girls have to say yes with the handcuff. Bye.
Bye.